Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 7th lesson of D3 chapter number 1 exercise 1D, that is about application of quadratic equation in real world. In this lesson I will solve intermediate level question number 11. Let's first read the question and understand and underline important terms of the question. Question says that in 2016, the members of the club paid a total of $42 in subscription fee. In 2017, the members increased by 20 and the subscription fee were subsequently reduced by 10 cents per member. 10 cents per member. The total of the subscription fee in 2017 was $45. How many members were there in 2016? How many members were there in 2016? This is the requirement of the question, that we have to find that how many members are there in 2016. So let's begin the solution. First of all, if we read the question, we can see that some information is in dollars and some is in cents. So it's better to learn the conversion between the dollars and the cents. $1 will be equal to 100 cents. Now coming to the solution, we have to suppose that the members in 2016, let the members in 2016 are X. Now the total subscription fee is in 2016 is total subscription fee fee in 2016 that they have to share equally was $42. Now share of each person that will be equal to $42. $42 upon X, or we can convert it into cents, and it will become, because $1 equals 200 cents, so it will become 4200 upon X, and this information will be in cents. Now what happened in 2017, that the members are increased by 20. So expression for the members in 2017, that is X plus 20, and the total subscription fee in 2017 is $45. Now the share of each person will be, in 2017, each person in 2017 will be $45 upon X plus 20. Here we can also convert this expression, which is in dollars, into cents, and it will become 4500 upon X. Now as X plus 20, as the members have increased, then what happened to the original members, that they have to pay 10 cents per member reduction. They got the reduction 10 cents. So what we will be doing, according to condition which is given in the question, 4200 upon X minus 10 cents minus 10 equals to 4500 upon X plus 20. I hope you are clear about how we are balancing the equation. Now in order to solve the equation, we have to bring like terms on same side. 4200 upon X minus 4500 upon X plus 20 equals to 10. Shift 10 to other side. Now take the LCM, and the LCM will be X into X plus 20. First fraction is 4200 upon X, and it has the deficiency of X plus 20. So the numerator will be multiplied by x plus 20, 4200 into x plus 20 minus 4500x equals to 10. Now quickly expand this expression. This will become 4200x, 42 multiplied by 20. 42 multiplied by 20, 4200, 4200 multiplied by 20, and this will give me 84,000. 84 with 1, 2 and 3 zeros minus 4500x equals to 10 into x plus 20. Now 4200x and 4500x are the like terms. Solve them. 4200 minus 4500, and this will give me minus 300x plus 84,000 will be equal to, now multiply this expression, x square 10 into x square plus 20x. Now if we look at the left hand side of the equation, that can be easily simplified by 10. So shift this 10 to other side and divide left hand side by 10. So this will become, when 300 will be divided by 10, it will become minus 30x plus 8400 equals to x square plus 20x. Now bring the like terms and sit on the same side and form a quadratic equation. This will become x square plus 20x plus 30x, 20x plus 30x minus 8400 equals to 0. This will take the form x square plus 50x minus 8400 equals to 0. Now at this stage you have to decide that which technique you are going to solve for the solution of you are going to apply for the solution of quadratic equation. If I forget about zeros, this is 84 and this is 5. If I am taking the numbers 12 and 7, 12 sevens are 84 and 12 minus 7 is 5. So if I am taking 120 and 70 as the factors, they are suitable for 84, 150. So coming to the solution, x square plus 120x minus 70x minus 8400 equals to 0. You should have the good grasp on the tables, calculations and mental maths estimates and the midterm breakage. Now extract some number or letter as a common factor. From first group I can take x, and inside the bracket I can have x plus 120 minus 70. From the second part, when I've extracted 70 out, on the first place I will have x, then plus 8400 divided by 70, 8400 divided by 70, and this will give me plus 120 equals to 0. Now again look carefully that this x plus 120 is the common group. Extract it out, pull it out. X minus 70 equals to 0. In order to solve this equation, apply either or condition, either x plus 120 equals to 0 or x minus 70 equals to 0. Shift constant to other side. Shift constant to other side by changing the sign. X equals to minus 120 or x equals to 70. These are the two solutions of this equation. Now if we look at the supposition that in the beginning we said the members in 2016 are x, so we are not going to accept this answer. This will be the rejected answer because the members cannot be, the persons cannot be negative, and this can be the accepted answer. accepted answer. So the original or the members in 2016 are members in 2016 are 70. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.